I know she has. I'm taking my braids out. I'm gonna sort out my hair when it gets to bedtime. I'm gonna be like this until bedtime. It's okay, I'm at home. And before everyone sits down for dinner, I'm probably gonna, hopefully I can get 15 minutes worth of ironing done. I need to do 15 minutes worth of ironing every single day. Did I mention it was Monday? So let's try and do this ironing 15 minutes a day all the way up to Friday. Let me put on a calming vlog on YouTube and do my cushion DIY. A couple of weeks ago I went into Hobbycraft, picked up these like silver plated buttons. It's a 4-pack. I need to pick up another 4-pack. I just want to see how these look on my cushions. Me half an hour for both of them, maybe 25 minutes, I don't know. But yeah, I actually was putting this away for so many weeks. I love how they came out. Oh, I really do love how they came out. They're really, really nice. So that means I need to go back to Hobbycraft and get these buttons. But I just wanted to show you guys if you wanted to do your cushions like this. So originally my cushions they were designed like this. There was a button in the middle. The buttons were grey, like velvet buttons. But obviously I've got kids. I don't need to tell you the story about that. Kids destroy stuff. The last thing I just need to do is to seal it up. I'm just going to open the inside, and then the button, and then the needle. I have a curved needle actually. Instead of going all the way through to the other side, I'm just gonna thread it. Let me go. First I need to put the needle under the button. So I'm gonna put the needle under the button. I'm not gonna go straight through to the other side. Here's the needle. Here's the needle and thread. I'm still on the same side that I was when I was putting the needle through. I've just gone behind the fabric. I'm going to cut off the thread. And I'm just going to tie it so that it's sealed up and the buttons are secure. Just going to close up the cushion. I know some cushions don't open up, but then if you're doing this, maybe it just doesn't matter if it doesn't open up. Today I am popping into Hobbycraft. I've got to go to Screwfix. Is a store that sells like stuff that builders need. Yeah, I need to get some drawer runners because the kids' drawers are broken. If you don't know what drawer runners are, it's the, you know when you open a drawer, so the metal things that enables the drawer to open. That's what's broken. I need to go Argos. I need to get a new Era. My one's broken. It's been broken for a while actually. And Hobbycraft. I did say that at the beginning, didn't I? It's still morning. She's a bit funny. Let me continue doing my hair. My hair is done. It's setting. I just put a natural ponytail. I've got an hour and 40 minutes to clean this living room. You see the table? These are clean clothes. Over here, a mess. Plus, I have the kitchen. I need to do this. There's not much dishes in the kitchen. Yeah, I'm gonna do dishes last because I think that's probably like a 10-minute thing. I've got to do my 15-minute cleaning. Let's do that. The Era. Here she is. I don't like her. Like, it's one of those Eras that are like, she's very bouncy. Like, you give her one touch, she just moves. Just. And then I'm thinking, should I go exchange it? exchanging it would mean carrying it all the way back. So I'm thinking maybe just keep it. If it breaks down the line, we'll buy a new one. Yeah. And no, you know what? When I say we'll buy a new one, next time I will make sure I go and pick this up at a near Argos store or Wilko. Maybe on my next era, maybe get a really tall era. Yeah. Anyways, tomorrow I have to go back and exchange the drawer runners because they're too big. So I have to go back to Screwfix again. So in Poundland, I picked up this vase. I need a vase for my TK Maxx flowers. You would have probably seen in I was in Hobbycraft yesterday. Basically, as I'm walking out, you know, if you've stolen something, it dings, ding. I literally told a guy, like, I've only bought buttons. Seriously, like, I had 2 kids with me. So much, like, food shop, plus an error on top of the pushchair and a baby in one hand. And, like, it's like, seriously, after buying all this stuff, am I seriously gonna come in here and steal something from the craft shop? I was like, I only got buttons, and the guy was like, go. It wasn't a scene or anything like that. It's just how they normally check everyone anyways. But yeah, let me go and finish my cushions. So guys, these are my cushions. So obviously I did this sofa the other day, and then these were the ones that were left to do. So they look really, really nice. Really good. And also, I forgot to mention, I ironed Monday and Tuesday, and then I was finished by Tuesday. So I had like days after that I didn't need to iron because there was no ironing in the ironing basket. So yeah, but I've just washed some clothes, so I've got some ironing to do. But yeah, I did my challenge for 2 days because there was no more clothes.